So here's how to fix Steam content file locked error message. So first you want to open Steam, and then you want to go to the Steam on the left top hand side, and then go to settings, and then you want to go to downloads, and then scroll down and click on clear cache next to clear download cache, and then confirm. This should sign you out of Steam, and you should be prompted to sign in again. Now, after signing back into Steam, try to launch your game again to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on the start button and go to File Explorer, and then go to C drive where Steam is installed, Program Files 86, and then search for the Steam folder. Now you will need to install a tool called IO-Bit Unlocker. So IO-Bit Unlocker. Click on the first link and then click on download. Now once you download and install this, you'll simply right click on the Steam folder on your program files, and then click show more options, and then click on IO-Bit Unlocker. Now you want to make sure Steam is closed before doing this, so right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, search for Steam, and then end all Steam tasks. Alternatively, you can right click on the Steam here and click exit Steam, and that should close Steam completely. Now you'll simply just right click on the folder again and click on IO-Bit Unlocker, and then confirm. Now you will simply just click on unlock, and that should remove the error or the file lock from Steam error. Now you will simply open the start menu, search for Steam, and then run it as admin, and then confirm to run Steam as admin. Now once Steam is started, you want to go to the library and then launch your game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.